Okay, guys. Oh no, this is bad. I forgot to change the title once again. Make AI in ESP32. By the way, guys, yes, that's what I am going to do today. Let's make it public. Save. Okay. Actually, wait once. Hello. So yes, I am back. Okay. Why has not? Hello. So yes, I am back. Public. Okay. AI in ESP32 public. Okay. Now I am ready. Hello. Okay. AI in ESP32 public. Okay. Now I am ready. Everything's working. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to start by showing you guys this project of mine. But before that, I am noticing one where has been plugged somehow. So let me fix that. Yes. So now, let me lower this. Okay. So this is a nano and this is a reaction time test. Really cool reaction time test here. I don't know how I get. Okay. So this will not be fair for me. I am, by the way, as you guys know, you guys don't know, I am a goalkeeper. So here it's wait for it, and whenever the oh shit, 1 second. So okay, what the hell is happening? Why is it telling too soon? I have not pressed it on it. What the hell is happening now? Something's wrong. Okay, bro, what the hell, man? Okay, basically it tells that press the button for some, but for some reason my luck in streams are really bad. Oh wait, I think this has to. Oh yes, I just put it in there. Yes, so wait for it. Go. It's 245 ms. My average is like 170 or something. So wait for it and go 205 milliseconds. So as soon as it tells go, you have to click it and it gives you your reaction time. Let me actually bring this nearer so that you guys can see that well. Right. So go. Right. This OLED screen would be required today. Oh, okay. Yes, reaction time test. Wait for it. As soon as it tells go, as soon as it says go, we will have to click it. 178, as I told you, that's my average reaction time. Whatever. So I just started with a project of mine, but now let me explain you what will I build today. So firstly we will make this box of mine where I stored all of my microcontrollers, micro:bit, Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, ESP8266, normal version USB8266 board, ESP32 cam, 801085, and what will be used today? The normal ESP32. This will be useful today. Oh, I had taken my mic upwards. That's why my voice was coming so low. Whatever. So yes, we are going to use this ESP32. Um, Fortunately, when I was starting to say important things, I realized I my this was up. But 1 second, let me mute my phone. Let me check. Okay, so now I'm going to use this thing. So the things we will what the hell? Okay, so the things we will require today are very less, right? Firstly, we will actually need to, firstly we will actually try to. I have not used this board for a while, so first we will actually um, try to make this install MicroPython. I don't think it is already on there, so we will use that. But yeah, we I have this ready with me. This is a port. Let me pull this inside. And unlike other times, this thing. Okay. So okay, as I was saying, firstly let me plug. We will use the breadboard. So let me plug this the nano outside of this because we won't need the nano today. We will need some buttons. One but my guys, a small thing here while plucking this out. My why am I so unlucky? Where the hell is it? Yeah. So as I was saying, let me store the nano here. Right. The nano is stored and let me store it here now. Okay. Oh my god. It is not looking like much, but it's hurting. Whatever. I don't really care. Okay, I have male to male wears and some male to female. Yeah. So let me decide first that okay, actually I will just use it outside of the breadboard. I will not stick the OLED display on the breadboard. So firstly what will we need is one button like this, because let me, by the way, while I am recording this video, let me show you something. Yeah, there is this Raspberry Pi 0W. GenAI GenAI is installing on there. GenAI, Google GenAI. Shit, blood is coming out. Oh no, that's bad. Shit, that's bad, ain't it? That's very bad. Let me show you guys. You see? Okay, whatever. So, firstly, we will actually, um, yeah, what I am doing on the Raspberry Pi Zero W. I'm installing GenAI API so that I can run Google API there. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, um, so we have buttons obviously. One button will be needed. Let me show you guys the infrastructure that I've planned. Right. Let me use Paint obviously because that's the most professional software I know of. So, scene. Yeah. So, firstly, there will be one button here, and this button will be a button like this. You see, these buttons can be released like this, right? So, if you click this, it again comes out, right? Yes. So that this button will be of use today, and another button will be like this. Two buttons like this will be used. If you click this, it will be like this. If you don't click, it will be like this. But the problem with this is, you see, I don't really I will have to first test it out because with a multimeter obviously, and let I don't I haven't brought the multimeter here now, so I will have to go and bring the multimeter. So I will be right back. Okay, so guys, I am back with the multimeter. So, this is the multimeter here. Let me take it out. Oh no, blood. More blood, guys. More blood. Let me show you guys blood. Whatever, so yeah, that's that. And now I will attach this. Yeah, so I have attached the multimeter here, and now I will show you guys the testing process. So the testing process that I was talking about, so let me show you guys this, the setup. This so firstly, let me test. I will have to open this to hear this thing. I will try to make you guys hear too, but I don't know whether you will be able to hear or not. So I will attach one pin here, one pin here. It's not beeping, that is, these are not connected. So I will press this now, and now also it's not connected. Whether then which are connected? None of the pins are connected. What do you mean by that? Guys, I should apply some Bodolin here, so I will be back. Right, 1 second. Hello. Okay, so yeah, so I'm back. It's not like that, it's not paining anymore, but the pain is obviously reduced, right? So yeah, there is white stuff on it now. Actually, the pain has gotten worse, and whatever. That doesn't matter, right? um, I don't know why do I do this stuff, man. I hate my life. So let me try this. So when I connect all of these, right? Is this just that? Wait, let me. I have another one of this. Let me take it out from here. Right. Um. Yes. There it is. You see this? Let me test this. My table is again a mess. Right. But what can I do? What can I do? Man, connecting these are really hard. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, these are not working. Okay, something beep. Something beep. No. Oh, yes, that. Oh no, man, this is bad. How do I use this? I should have tested this before coming. Now, okay, there's another thing we can do. For that, we will need um. Okay, okay, okay. Now we will need to go to ChatGPT and ask him for do some prompt engineering. We have three buttons like this. Let me show you guys. Right, we have three buttons like this, and we will attach all of them in the breadboard. Oh, yes. Okay, so I've attached three buttons in the breadboard, right? And now I will do some prompt engineering in ChatGPT. By the way, um, one second. Okay, so but we will use this for the AI part in the ESP32 because NumPy is not available in ESP32 obviously. So we will use this, and let's go to a new chapter, a new um, chat here. Let me first keep this away. So now let's ask ChatGPT. Um, in a ESP32, prepare an array of two items. Two items can be 0 or 1. A button pressed is 1 and not pressed is 0. Right. Display this array on a what is this OLED screen name again? Let me see. 0.96 LED, it will understand. 0.96 OLED display. 3 buttons By the way, can this ESP32 even be placed on this breadboard? Yes, it can be, but there is a limitation. Only one side can be used because it's too fat, you can say. So yeah, that's that. Three buttons are there. There. Um, when one button is pressed, a time period of 5 seconds starts. In that 5 seconds, the user can press the two buttons. One button represents one item of the array and another represents another item. Okay, wait. Now, yes. Now let's tell GPT. Yeah, yes, exactly. And three buttons. Okay, okay, exactly, exactly, exactly. This is what we need. Let's go. ESP32. Da. Add a fluid. Okay, I don't think we have that. Let's open Thorny actually and connect this to here. Now we have connected our ESP32. Let me show you guys. The red light is glowing here, and now here what will we have to do is go to tools, configure interpreter, MicroPython, not ESP826, ESP32, this thing only. Okay, so now let's reset this one. Okay, so that's bad. So firstly we will have to um find, okay, installer update form for 1 second. I had it was there all along the way. So let's see a clear first. Clear. Oh, sorry. when you when you use Raspberry Pi 0W too much, this happens. Okay, so print hello world. Okay, and then actually there is a problem. I forgot that thing. As I told, I had not used that. Um, let me open my YouTube thing. 1 second. YT videos right here. Okay, so not this window, this window. Yes. So this is where um this is where I do things, record things in my YT channel. So yeah, the ESP32 is getting hot. Okay, whatever. So this is where I do stuff in my YT channel, right? So let's do stuff here. Um, what was I supposed to search? Yes, MicroPython ESP32 built-in LED. So yep, I need this, but machine. Okay, first let me import machine. Import machine, and then this thing dot value dot value 1. Okay, so the LED light starts glowing. Let me show you guys better. Yes, the LED light starts showing, and when I switch it off again, 0, it stops. So we have successfully connected the ESP32 here. Now we will go to Google again. Go to Google again. Bro, what the hell happened just now? Oh shit, it disconnected. Okay, okay, we are here again. Let me put this inside there. Okay, so let me search this up. SS, what was I supposed to search? Yeah, let me go to ChatGPT. Oh shit, I forgot him to do it in MicroPython. Sorry, I forgot to say. I treat him like a brother, so I talk. Yeah, same thing, same thing. I to CL is there. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, oh, he has given us the link. Very good. I don't have to search it. Let me down. What? No, I don't want to download. Okay, I guess I will just open this. Oh no, man. Okay, I will open this in here only and go here YT videos. Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean MicroPython? Okay, actually let me MicroPython. Then where is SST? Okay, I will just have to find it. This is by the way the thing you see, and nobody when nobody is watching. SSD 1306. Yeah, but SSD 1306 library MicroPython. Yes. Now let me download this from here. Hmm. Where will I download this? Where the hell will I download this? Okay, let me search download. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I want this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we will need to download. Okay, I will just ssd 1306.py MicroPython device ssd 1306.py. I saved it the correct way, right? Yes, I did. And now I want to see what did I code last time. Yeah. Okay, actually I want to run it. Oh, this was just a web server, right? I don't need it. Okay, now I will just run what ChatGPT gave to me. Okay. Let us analyze. I don't like copying things without um I also need to, you know, I also need to yeah, I also need to do the connections. Yeah, I to C SCL pin will be 22, SDA pin will be 21. On which side? Now let me switch to this view for some time. So 21 is this side and 22 is that side. Well, now what should we do? Firstly, let's wire up the GNDs and the other stuff. See, there are a lot of grounds we need to connect because of the LEDs, right? So what should we do is depending on your wiring. Okay. Actually, let me switch to this view once because I want to check something. Yeah. So start button pin dot pull underscore down. Press start button. Okay. While true, if start dot button dot value. Okay. Okay. But okay. Okay. At first they are setting this input array to 00. Timer active equals to false. When is this timer ended? Okay. Array. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, I understand this. But these are the pins, right? 15, 16, 17. The start button, I will make this one. Okay, let me show you guys. This will be the start button and these two will be the other buttons. One, this will be array 0, array 1, right? So, let me attach the grounds. Firstly, the ground from this one, this thing will go GND to there. Yeah, I've connected the ground. Now I will connect the grounds for this guys. Right, this goes here. This I wanna deattach this. Yeah, this goes here. Right, and another one for the buttons. Let me found the brown wire. That will be good. Okay, there isn't a brown wire. I will use a purple one then. This goes here. So all the grounds of the buttons are connected now. So that's really good for us. So now we just need to get some wires and get going for them. So the orange will be for the array buttons and yellow will be for the start buttons. So let me connect this here. Right, start one and start one. Let me see the code once. Start one goes to 15. Now the problem is, yes, 15 is that side. So let me select this as 14. Right, 14. Wait, am I doing a error here? No, GND is correct. After that there is 13. Okay, let me connect it to 13 then. 13 will be our start button. Let me edit the code. Right, 13. Right, 13 is our start button. We have placed that down. Then we have 12 and 14 after that. So we will write those two. 14, 12, and after that 14. So we can apply that here also. Right, this will be our, oh no, wait 1 second. Yeah, so this will be 12 and this will be 14. So all the buttons are successfully connected right now, which is a really good news. Now we have SSD 1306 already installed. We just need to connect this, the OLED screen, onto this. So firstly I will go for the power cords. GND is the gray one, so it will go to our this line here. Right, smooth and easy. As you see, all the grounds are connected here, and the power cord is, I guess, the white color. Yes, and this will go, I think, to the 3.3 volt, which is on that side. So can I connect it to the VIN? I'm pretty sure I can. So I will connect it to VIN. Why the whole lines here, you know? I like when my wedding gets big because it's satisfying for me. Okay, So then I guess I have 20. Wait one second. So 27 and 26. 27 and 26. Let me change it here also. So we have 20 SCL 27 and SDA 26. That's really good, right? So now let me do it here also. The purple one is SDA. Purple one is SDA and SDA is 26. So let me plug it in to 26, and the yellow one is SCL, that is will go to 26. Now let's now why the hell isn't the display coming? Okay, soft boot. Oh, we have to run it now. Why am I so dumb? Okay, so let's run this. Okay, press start button. It's coming. It's coming, but it's coming, but guys. BUTT. The whole thing is not fitting, but for some things, you know, that's really funny. Let me show you guys the screen. So it's not really focusing there, but it's telling that press start button. I don't know why is it not focusing. It should focus. Okay, apart from that, let me just press the start button and pray that it works. Nah, it doesn't. It was, it was going too good. So of course it wouldn't work. Everything wouldn't work the first time. Okay, now why isn't it working? Start button is 13. Did I do something wrong in the wiring? Let me check one thing. Okay, so if I pull this a bit up, you guys can see this, right? Okay, so let me pull this out here and let me put it here. Button wirings are really confusing because you don't know which one is the correct way. That's awfully interesting. Why is it still not working? This should work. Okay, so we have encountered our first problem, and we are going to try to fix it with the multimeter again. So let me bring the camera up again so that you can see the testing in whole. So we will turn on our connectivity test again. Okay, now we have our these two things. What the hell? Oh, what's touching? I am touching anything. What the hell? What is touching? I am not touching anything, man. What the hell do you mean? Bro, why is it beeping now? I haven't touched anything. Okay, I know what, I don't even care. Right. Okay. Let me. Yes, the GND is totally working. Yes, it's working. It's working. These are working. The G and these are going right. Then what is wrong with it? Oh, I have got it. I have attached the yellow thing. I'm pretty sure. No, yeah, it's correct. I can't figure this out. Maybe. Okay, here let me now see the what ChatGPT did write something about this thing. Right. Button not working. Try pin pull up instead of pull down, depending on your wearing. Okay. This is not our problem, but we are going to try this up. Can you guys see this? Yeah, up, up, up. Yep. Up. Yep. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let me stop this. Let me do this, and let me run this. Bro, timer started. Why the hell has timer started? Bro, it's the timer is starting instantly for some reason. Okay, let me pull this out. Why the hell is the timer starting instantly? Oh, then it's not. Then something's wrong. Wait, let me ask ChatGPT again because he's the one who told me to do this. Pull down makes the thing not work. Pull up is starting timer instantly. Okay. Signal is floating, so it's not detecting the button press. Pull up input is high. Okay. Now what should we do then, ChatGPT? Tell me. Okay. Okay, so he did something, but I don't want to rewire all the things. So what I will do is stop this. I will tell him to rewrite the code using these. Okay, but rewrite code using these. Okay, let's see this now. Now that I think it's complete. OLED is not blank, man. Just paste this code and this should work now. At least according to ChatGPT it will work. Press start. Okay guys. The timer is not starting instantly, that's that. It's press start, showing press start. Let me do this right. And now scene 2. So press start. Now I will press start. Okay, timer started. Now I press the first array button only. 1-0. Bro, guys, we have done it. The first part of our code is complete. Oh my god, that took a long time. It said 1-0. You saw that, right? You saw that, right? You saw that, right? Okay. So now, 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 we will rewrite the code. Obviously, write the code. Now, we will obviously stop the code first, and then um, while true, if the okay, timer started. Press start. Def wait for press. Okay, they are obviously doing wait for press somewhere. Wait for press. Okay, here they are doing. But how is this ending? Timer active equals to false while true. Okay, so somehow it's closing, but I don't really know how. Okay, so now what will we have to do is obviously create a new file, and this will be name MicroPython device. It will stay in the MicroPython device, and its name will be AI. Do you yes. Okay, so now we will import AI here. Import import AI here, and now we should be able to call this hum. Oh, so they are doing wait for press again here. That's why. Okay, I understand. But before this, obviously, um, timer active equals to false. So it's escaping this one. Show underscore array. Okay. Okay, I understand. I understand what they're doing, guys. Don't worry. I got it. I got it. So now time dot text underscore ms. Okay. So now time dot okay. Now just do one addition. There just call AI function at the end and end the what will I say pro cycle after 5 seconds of calling the func. Yes, I want this ChatGPT. Thank you for understanding. I did. I to. I told him to not do this. Print. Okay, actually we can test with this for now. Okay, now AI time dot. Okay, he is time dot sleeping just. Now actually I will not do some anything. I will not copy this code because I've understood what he's doing. Time dot sleep. Okay. I hope you guys can see everything because this is actually because the last two live streams one it was partially successful and another was a fail, excuse me. So I hope this one is a success so that I can be happy with my life. So actually let's first of all I will increase this to 4 5. Oh no, 3, in the 4 4 4. Okay, so now before we wait for press, AI function will be called AI, and we will display oled.text oled.text this thing because a string will be returned which will be the prediction. Oh, actually, okay, guys. Till now, saw that two arrays have come. Now, actually, what we are going to do is in the AI, there will be a function which will predict or and or XOR output of those two values in the array, and that will actually the prediction will be shown on the OLED display. So that is our goal. New running neural network on the ESP32. So that will be pretty cool. AI. There will be the array will be passed, right? Input underscore array. Input underscore array. Right. So now I think we should do AI.ai, right? Yes. Now this should work. Def AI, def AI. This will take an a, which will be our array, and then we will just pass it on for now. Actually, no, we want to let just to see if this is working. We will just return a. So let's run this now. Okay, I press start. Now I will press both of the buttons this time. 1 1 is showing 1 1, and after 4 seconds 1 second. What? I told it to sleep for 4 seconds. Oh, I understood this. Miss, oh, I was seeing there. I didn't even see here that there was an error. Okay, line 58. Oh, let the text function. Oh, yes, the position. I forgot to give the position. Right. So, 0 0. Okay, now. And also another thing that I forgot was there will also be a time to sleep around 5 here. So let's run this now. Press start. This time I will press the second button only. It will show 0 1. Yes, it showed 0 1. Right. And now oh, list object to string implicity. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, okay, I understand. This is returning a string because A is obviously a string input array. So, and this only accepts this thing, so we will have to string this. I don't think this can be done. Actually, let me test that, guys. 1 second. So I will open VS Code now. File, new text file. Not open chat. GitHub Copilot. I don't even use GitHub Copilot. I don't want to cheat on ChatGPT. So just create untitled one somewhere. I don't even know where did I create the file. And now I will test it here. So let A be a path coding. Right. Can this be printed with a string? Let's see. Okay, yes, it can be printed as a string. So we can close this now. We can open Tony, and we can convert to it to a string that we have done, and now we will run it. Actually, I want to show you guys this time that this is actually working. So press start. As you guys can see, I will press the start button, and then I will press the two buttons, and now this will give 1 1, as you guys can see. not really well, but you guys can see. And now in Thorny it's not a error. And what, directly press start? Why? Wait, did something happen? I didn't see actually. Let me press the first button now, this time. 1 0. And why is this not showing only 1 0? This should show. No, it's not. Okay. Well, it's an error, and I do not like errors, but I like to fix them. So I will fix them. Let me see. Not ChatGPT. This is also not the thing I wanted to open. This. Okay. So let's stop this. OLED.text. OLED.fill. Okay. So if I see the before times that something was printed, OLED. Oh, we will have to press. Okay, okay. OLED.fill 0 first. Right. Yes, these have to be shown. Oh no, OLED.show this time. Show. Now, time.sleep 5. And now this should show our that thing. So now string AI. So yeah, that good thing is that the prediction will be actually returned, and we don't have to change this code anymore. We will only have to change the function in the other file. So now, pressing start, the I will press the both of the buttons, and 1 1, it's 1 1. And later on, yes, it prints 1 1, as you guys can see. So now I can continue once again. The wear of the webcam has gotten in my way. Okay, now I can continue in this file. Okay, finally. And by continue, I will just have to copy that code, because I obviously can't use numpy here, as I told you before. I think I yes 15-minute numpy course guide. I was just searching for some courses. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, so predict round out. So we will not round it. We will just return out. That is if this works. So from math. Okay. Oh no, shit. I will have to copy this again. Okay. So shit. I wish it was VS Code. I could just, you know, hold the middle click button, and I would be able to what? Yes, I could just hold the middle click button, and I would be able to, you know. By the way, I will reduce the number of epochs here. Obviously, I don't want to wait here for 1000 years, right? I will reduce it to around 100, because if you guys didn't know, this is the number of times the thing would be trained, right? Predict. Now this is where I come in to actually edit the code. Now we won't need this. Now just return out. But the thing is, where do I give x1 x2? Where is x1 x2? In x. Where is x? Where the hell is x? Let me find x. Okay. Okay, x1 x2. Okay, I guess this returns. Wait, let me run this in Python again. I will be back in Python VS Code again. But wait, how will I run? Is one second, okay. So as I was talking, I don't think this thing, this I think. Oh, there is math here. I thought it was only there in MicroPython. Oh, guys, you see, it gives for all of the things, but we want it only for our, um, you know. Okay, so here I get to code something myself again, so I'm very happy. And a very simple code what I'm going to write is just x1, what the values of x1 and x2, which will be really simple. X1, right? Oh no, I will have to write them there only. Yeah. Okay, x1 equals to a 0. A is the input array which we are taken, and x2 will be a 1. So by the way, next live stream we will actually code something ourselves, right? Okay, now that the code is finally complete, we will run it, and I have switched the path there. We have run it. The code is now in session. Now let's hope into God that we get the output successfully. Okay. Okay, I have seen checked everything now. Going to scene 2, pressing this button. Timer started. Let me first try only one button. And 1 0, correct. Now let's see the prediction. It's taking some time. Oh, I am sure there is an error. Of course there is an error. Float object isn't subscriptable. It's in ai.py. Let me see that. Float, these data type errors are not that hard to solve. So yeah, isn't subscriptable. Okay, where is it? In which line? Line 39. Okay. Okay, I see. Um. Okay, I see. Subscriptable. Oh wait a second. A here, right? A. We are feeding it A, and A is a um input array. Input array is a array. So I think it is talking about the item at this thing, which is a float. How? It is a int, I thought, but okay, I will just make it a int because that's really easy to do. What is, by the way, let's search up the meaning of subscriptable. I don't really know that. Subscriptable meaning something you can use square brackets on to get parts of it. Oh, so it was talking about only A, but A, one second. Oh, A is a sigmoid. Oh, then we can't use this. Let's B is also used. I saw. Let's just use small x. No, small x is also used. My God, what? Let's just use P. P is not used. I'm pretty sure. Or let's just use air. Air. Air will be perfect. And okay. What is it talking about? Huh? Oh, okay. Air. Close this. Air. Do this. Now. Now. Let's just run it now. This should work after how many hours? 1 hour and 5 minutes. This program should work. Scene 2. Press the start button. Press both of these buttons, so the output should come near to 1. Array 1 1 is showing successfully, and the prediction is 0.46172. Okay, I mean that is not close to 0 at least, and I know how to solve this. This is just coming because of less epochs, so I will just increase the number of epochs because it is taking a very less time, so I just underestimate the capabilities. I will do 1000 epochs now. 1000. Oh shit. Okay, by the way guys, let me show you one thing where you need to it was like this, I did like this. Oh no, I forgot to close the program again. And now if I save this, now if I run this and switch it to scene 2 back and do this and only press one button, let me see, it's 1 0 0.1, so that's closer to 0 because it's and so it was meant to be 0. And now press two buttons, it's coming 1 1, obviously that's very good. And now this should be close to 1.7, that's close enough. So guys, we have done it, we have. So but by the way, if you guys wanna see something else, right, I can show you how to edit these values. But what do I mean? If you were wondering, let me show you. If I close this, for example, oh yeah, so these are the training datas, right? So for example, I want the or, right? So for or, what will happen? These three will be of that type. um 1 1 1, and this will be only be 0, so that will also work. So I was trying to say that. But yeah, that's our coding video for today. I had very much fun. So yeah, let me show you guys our final project. Dun, ta-da, 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 why am I so dumb? Whatever. So next live stream, I don't know when will we do that, but when we will, we would actually use by the way, this is my third day in a row of live streaming, and this is my third day of live streaming. So yeah, first live stream on the day before yesterday, second on yesterday, third today. So yeah, that's really good. The first one was a total fail. I mean, I coded good, honestly, according to me, but the algorithm was that I made was really bad. It was really easy to decode. But yeah, and the second video that I made, that was better. I fixed one computer successfully. I could have fixed it faster according to me, but this thing, the Raspberry Pi, I can't even lift it. I'm too scared. This didn't really work. So yeah, guys, if you want to see what process is going on in the Raspberry Pi 0W, I can show you. I will have to switch this. Go to input. Go to dsub, and this is the Raspberry Pi 0W's process. It's trying to install Gemini API. As you guys can see, I don't know why it is taking so long, but yeah, that's that. I will check on it later. Maybe I will cancel it and restart it, but yeah, let me fix it in my monitor. Okay, so guys, that was the video. I'm in live stream. How long it is, 1 hour 10 minutes. I've been coding for 1 hour and 10 minutes straight. So I will finally take my leave. We have successfully made the project, which was really good. Right. So yeah, that was the video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.